Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So students, today you will learn how to download Python and how to install Python and how to write the program in Python and how to execute the programs in Python. Okay. So before start to download the Python, first of all you should know the configuration of your computer. So for this, first of all, right click on the computer icon or PC icon and click on properties. Okay. Now check processor. Okay. Here you are system type. I am using the 32-bit operating system. So first of all, you have to check your operating system. Okay. After checking your operating system, as you know, the Python is open source software, so it is freely available. So open Google and write down download Python. Download Python. Okay. Now the site www.python.org will open. Now click on download Python. Here various versions of Python are available here. Okay. Now this is the latest version of Python, that is 3.8.2. It is supported by Windows 10. So if you are using Windows 10, if you have the latest configuration, now you can download Python 3.8. For this, there is just click on it and the downloading process will start. Okay. Now if you don't have the higher configuration, you are not using Windows 10, as I am using Windows 7, so then accept it. Various different type of versions are also available. So click on Windows. Now here we have various version of Python. Okay, I am using 32-bit operating system. For Windows 7, 3.1 is available. So there are various versions are available. So according to your configuration, download the Python. Okay. So for 32-bit operating system, you will download 86 type operating system. Okay. So according to my Windows, according to my operating system, I have downloaded Python 3.1 version. Okay. So in download folder, you will see your downloaded file. So now I have downloaded Python 3.1.2 version. So install. Okay. Double click on it and click on run. It will take a time. Okay. Install for all users. Okay. Next. Now downloading process will, installing processor will start. It will take a time. So after complete installation, click on finish. Okay. Now the Python is completely installed. How to? So next question is how to write a program in Python. How to start Python. Okay. For this, click on start button. In all programs, you have the Python 2.1 as I have installed. Now click on idle. Okay. As you click on idle, now the Python window will open. My system is little bit older, that's why it takes a time. as the Python window will open. Okay, click on File and New. A new notepad-like window will open. This is the platform. Here you have to write down the programs in Python. So let's take an example. So in this window you have to create the program, you have to write your program. Okay, let's take an example. Write a program. Write a program to find the sum of three numbers. Okay, so for this, first of all, take three variables A, B, C and store the different values. So A, let's say A equals to 10, B equals to 20 and C equals to 30. Okay, takes another variable that will store the sum of these values. So the sum equals to A plus B plus C. Now these three variables are for, to store the different values, and the sum is the variable that is used to store the sum of all these three values. Okay, so the next is to show the result. So how to show the result on the screen? For this we use print keyword. Write on print, use parenthesis. If you, what message do you want? To write down the message in double quotes. Okay, write down sum of three numbers equals to, now close the double quotes and comma, and write down the variable for which you want the print. Okay. So after creating the program, you have to save the program. To save the program, press Ctrl plus S or go to the file menu and click on Ctrl plus S. Okay, now it will ask for the name of the file, so write down sum1 because sum file is already stored, so write down sum1.py. So after creating the program, whenever you save the file, you have to write down the extension name .py. Okay, now click on save. Now program is saved. Now it is ready to run. Okay, to run the program, click on run button and click on run module. The shortcut of run module is F5. So click on it. Now you will see the result. The sum of three numbers equals to 60. And you can see that this is the message, sum of three numbers. And you are seeing the message sum of three numbers, and the result is stored in sum. So after adding these three values, 10 plus 20 plus 30, it will be 60, and 60 will be stored to sum. Okay, now you are seeing 60, not sum. So the sum is storing the value that is 60, so 60 is appearing here. Okay, so this is the way to create a program, to save a program and run. Okay, students. So students, in this example, the values are fixed by the programmer, but I want to take the values from user. So how can we take the values from user? So let's understand it with the given term. Okay, for this, first of all, you have to write a value like this: A equals to input. Okay, input is a function which is used to take the values from the user at runtime. Okay, write down the input, and here write down the your message. Whenever the user input the values, the what message should be appear. So write down the message input, enter the first number like this. Okay, here you can write anything as you want. Okay, now the second message, control C and control okay, right now B. The second variable is B. B will store another one. new, that is second value. Okay, second value. And the next one is C. Enter the third. Okay, enter the third. So in this way you will take 3 values from the user. Okay. After that you have to do one thing more. You have to convert all these values into integer. In Python, all the values are in string form, so you have to convert them into integer or decimal. So for this, what you have to do, write down int keyword here like this. Use int keyword here, and now the value will be converted into integer because the sum is possible of integer values. That's why I am converting all the values into integer. Okay, use int keyword before input function. Okay, so this is the way to convert the value, string value, into integer. After that, find the sum as you have done in the previous program. Sum equals to a plus b plus c, like this. Now print the result. Use the print keyword, and here write down the message. Write down the message: sum of 3 input values 8. Okay, close the quotes and put comma and write down the variable in which the result is stored. Okay, now the program is ready to run. So now first of all, save the program by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now press F5 key or click on run and run module. Okay, now it will ask for the enter the first number like this 30, enter the second number is 40, enter the third number, that is 10. Now we have the result. Sum of the 3 input values is 8. So this is the another way to write a program. In this method you can take the values from users. So now you have the home assignment. You have to create the program for the given problem. Okay, so now you have some problems. So for these problems you have to create the programs. The first problem is write a program to find the multiplication of 3 numbers. So this program is same as this program. There is nothing new in this program. You have to write down multiply sign here, okay, instead of plus. Okay, so write a program to find the area of rectangle. To find out the area of rectangle, first you have to input the value for length, and then after you have to input the value for breadth, and you have to multiply both them. In this way you will find out the area of rectangle. Okay, the next is write a program to find out the area and circumference of the circle. This program you have to do yourself. Write a program to convert Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit. Okay, so you have to do it yourself. So students, enough for this session. In the next class I will tell you the more program. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, be healthy, be safe.